Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply or set different tax on different countries or specific countries in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we are going to set or add different tax or VAT for different or specific countries in Wix website. Now go to setting. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting and then you see text. So click on it. So we are in text section and then you see text location. So we are going to add location. So click on it. Now you see pop up add a location. So you can select country. Now select. So our location is Pakistan. So first we are going to add Pakistan and then you see setup text for every province. If you want you can set individually. Now you see. So it's up to you. And then click on add. So we are going to add different tags for different countries. Now you see product default group 0 and then you see shipping and delivery. You see, so you can add tax percentage according to requirement. Now you see advanced mode, so enable it. Now you see rate name, if you want you can add it. So we added rate name tax and then you see rate percentage for product 10% we apply on each product for Pakistan location and then click on save. So after that we are going to add another country. Now you see Pakistan was saved. Now you see add location button again, so click on it. Now select country, so you can select United States, United Kingdom, USA, UK, any Europe country. Now you see Albania. Now select and then click on add. Now you see we are in text Albania product advanced mode. So you can add rate name and tax for this country according to requirement. So this tax apply on all product individually. Same tax for this country. We are going to set rate percentage for product 20% and then click on save. Now setting was saved. Now you see tax rate. Go to cart page. Our location is Pakistan and refresh the page. So we are in cart page. Our location is Pakistan. Now you see tax 4%. So for Pakistan country we set 10 percentage on each product. Now you see $20 for 10 percentage to $20 for 10 percentage to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now you see if we increase quantity. Now you see tax percentage increase $6. So you can set different tax for different countries or specific countries. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.